Okay, okay. Right now, I think it's everything good. Just let me share the link again, okay, guys? Just a second. Okay, guys. I think everything is okay. Right? Well, please hit the like button again. Hit the like button again. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed. I don't know if you are already subscribed. Hit the like buttons, share this link, and everything else. Okay. Yeah, thank you, David Gonzalez, Waste of Time Games, Mrs. Monica, Thomas, Antonio, everybody. Okay, guys, okay. Yeah, maybe that's the real truth, David Gonzalez, because what in the hell, there's the VR mode. So people are making lives with augmented reality glasses already. We have yesterday we have Apple event on WWDC, and I don't see any Apple glasses. I really don't know what is going on, but I really don't know that YouTube have this kind of VR lives. Incredible how things are going so fast. Guys, that's it. Can you see my screen? Please say yes on the chat. Please say yes to the chat. Can you see my screen? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. I'll drag myself more compact. I'll try to expand the system for you to see better. Can you see? Yes. Okay, great. You can see. Serrata, yes, that's trading view. And this is pretty much what we are going to trade for now. And one of the reasons that I have been dropping simplicity as well is because there is no way to trade MT4 right now. MT4 is a so limited platform that we just cannot trade on that platform anymore. It lagged, it always corrupted. It's very easy to hack, to phish, and to do many things. The security level are not the best. There's so much lag, and I'm using right now just a demo version of TradingView. So here and there you're gonna see this ad free that I had to click. But that TradingView, if you're not familiar with TradingView, that's the best platform that you can have for analyzing charts, plotting your indicators, and then do everything on the markets. Okay? For now on, we're gonna be using TradingView. No more MT4, even MT5. MT5 is 15 years behind TradingView right now. It's a great community on the TradingView. You have plenty of indicators. We have custom indicators. We have lots of excellent tools for you to trade. It's way better, okay? Hit yes on the chart if you agree with me. Hit yes on the chart. And please hit the like button. There's 41 traders watching this live and just 6 likes. So please hit the like button, okay? Guys, that's it. Look and pay extremely attention for them, okay? I will send you the list of these 4 indicators that we used to spot trends like this, to spot opportunities like this. I'll show you. It's not the Holy Grail, and there is no Holy Grail, but that's very close of one of the best trading tools that I have ever came across. There is no algorithms working behind the scenes in here. We do not have to guess what's going on the next time frame. We have everything on the same screen. We don't have to go anywhere to place our trades. You just have to look on the charts and analyze all the situations that I'm going to tell you right now, okay? And I will tell you the beauty of this system, and I really am counting on you, because I need a name for that. I need a name for this system here. No, I'm not gonna make money with this. I just have to make a name. And I'll show you the best revolutionized idea that I have came across in this forex business, which is this: the triple moving average cross. The triple moving average cross. Here we have, and there is no secret, okay? There is no secret. Here we have 3 moving averages, okay? We have a 3-period moving average on green, a 8-period moving average that remains always flat, and a 20 moving average, which is the red one. The beauty of this sits on the fact that when those 3 moving averages, they cross each other on the same point, on the same area, or in the same level, usually we have a very strong movement. A movement which is predecessed by a consolidation period of time, And do you know what is a consolidation in the forex market? It's just the accumulation period. And after we have a strong movement. This is beauty. You can spot that on every strong movement that we have came across in the past situations. Look at this strong movement that we have after this cross. $312 pips in a matter of 5 days. 312 pips in a matter of 5 days. It came from here. It came from here. Incredible. When I was analyzing charts, and I have talked to one of the biggest traders here in Brazil, and the names is DD. That's the guy. That's the guy. He told me this. It just blew my mind. It's very effective, this triple moving average cross. We need a name. We need a name. Because he showed me this with ADX. And look how beautiful this is. Because those indicators, they're common indicators. Okay? ADX, it's a great indicator. That's the indicator that allows you to trade. That's the indicator that tells you it's okay for you to trade. Because it's when we have solid movement for you to trade. Look, when it's coming up, it's because there is a strong movement in that direction. Okay? Let's take another pair. And look, it's incredible because on the 4 hour you see the same movement happening. Look at this. And look where it does came from. It came from this cross over here. When the green moving average went through the blue and the red moving average. And then it got traction after the ADX take places. And wow, look at this movement here. You could have entered before 2nd June. 2nd June was last week when we would have our first meeting, this meeting that was postponed. Look, almost 534 pips. A cross on the 4 hour. So, first thing of this new system, it's strongly a trend system. So you're gonna be every time on the trend side. Second, it came from a very strong reality of moving average crossing each other. That's where you have the signal. When you have a cross, first step. Second step, you look at the ADX. You have to be pointing up. You have to be pointing up. Third step, you have to analyze if you are playing on the same territory of the movement. So if you are on a green territory like this, look at that. Can you see that? But Rafa, what is this? Very simple. That's the confirmation on the higher time frames. Here is telling that right now we have a buy movement. Right now we have a sell movement. Look how they were crossing and they were transitioning each other. Okay? This ADX is 14 and 25. They are more plain. indicators. I strongly advise you against changing that settings. Okay? So what are you gonna do? You can trade for swing trades, analyzing 1 hour. Okay? And of course, on the 1 hour, you'll have up, side, up and down, up and down. But look, cross here, up movement. Across here, it wasn't a cross, but it came from a cross here. But look, a cross with a down movement from the ADX. So what do? We wait for the ADX to come up again, then we jump on. Okay, look how precise this is. Look where the price action was when the ADX was coming down, even after the triple moving average cross. Look, ADX was coming down, so they are telling you, uh-oh, not a trade right now. Now you can trade. Now you can trade. And now I assure you that the movement is on the right side. And that's the beauty. Look how much pips you could have collected with this movement. 142 pips. One day movement. Of course, we have strong movements on JPY the last 2 to 3 days. But eventually, the charts are just telling you exactly where to go. The charts are just telling you precisely what's going on the higher time frames, where the trend is going on the higher time frames, and telling you exactly what to do on the lower time frames. So it's just incredible how effective and how cool you can be. Just to summarize, you wait for the cross, you wait for the ADX to let you go, you analyze if you are on the same side of the movement, analyzing the conditions here. That's the that's the daily trend, that's the 4-hour trend. You're gonna have excellent opportunities on reverse trades, on counter trades. But for now, I strongly advise you to trade only when we have these two conditions on your side, the daily and the 4-hour. Okay? And then eventually the movement was strong enough for you to collect pips, to just climbing the mountains. Look at it. Look at this. Incredible. 400 pips in just 1 week. That's the amount of pips that I need for my month for me to be profitable on the forex. Incredible. Well, let me see the chart. We have 34 members watching us. Very good. Eric, thank you very much. Sarada, Antonio Johnson, Forex Friends, Henry Teddy, David Gonzalez, Antonio Johnson, waste of times. Robert Reed, what time frame do we start? Okay, I will answer questions in a bit. Thomas Falta, Miss Monica. Okay, guys, well, I'm terribly sorry for the beginning of this live. This whole VR mode just got me confused. Everything is going on, right? Okay, so questions, okay? Because that's pretty much what I can tell you. It's easy. Sorry, it's not easy. It's simple. It's difficult, but it's simple. It's the thing that I have always tell you, that's something that I have spot. This is for free. You have right now one job to be done. Just plot these indicators on your TradingView account, your TradingView chart, and you can see for yourself. That I have prepared a presentation with screenshots and analyze. No, I'm just doing that live because we can see that on many markets. Let's take Bitcoin for instance. Look at that. It's a up and down, incredible up and down. But look, this beautiful down movement. that our system spotted. Look at here, a cross here, an ADX coming up, and then beautiful downtrend. Consolidation, look how the moving average behavior when you don't know where to go, and then eventually up movement. So it's very precise even in volatile markets, or especially on volatile markets, something that simplicity doesn't do. It's very complicated to, for me, at least for me, it was very complicated to trade indexes and Bitcoin using simplicity. Okay, you know, Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq right now. Look how simple could it be. Look, beautiful down movement. Okay, and I'll talk to you very soon about the candles. Okay, the candles here is just a tweak. Okay, the green candles, they are green. They are colored green when they have volume. Okay, and when they are above this moving average, this is not a moving average, it's a 21 moving average, and they are yellow when we are flat, and they are solid red when we are on a downtrend. Okay, so you can spot reversals and, you know, everything here. It's easier for you to understand. It's easier for you to analyze this. Okay, look, beautiful entry over here. Beautiful entry. Look how you should not trade when the candles are not fully green. Okay, you should not trade when the candles are not fully green. You have to wait for those to be fully red or green, in this case here. Rafa, when do I exit the trade? Very simple. You got into the trade, for instance, right here. You're gonna exit this trade when when the red moving average cross the blue line, if it's a sell, and when we have a candle fulfill green, in this case because it's a sell movement, coming across the moving average and becoming green as well. That's where you exit the trade. But look at that, the ADX will change color. So it will tell you exactly, hey, pay attention, because trend is probably changing. So the indicator is gonna show you exactly when to come in, when to come out. Okay, let's answer some questions here. What did the index setting? Henji Teddy. Henji, there is no setting, okay? The DD index is just a triple moving average system with a 3 green moving average, a 8 flat blue moving average that never moves, but it's a 12 moving average. It's just like they're crossing each other, but we have normalized the blue just to make it easier to see the crosses. That's the beauty of the system. That's something that you have never seen here. Now you have never seen here in the forex business. I absolutely sure about this. Okay? And the red moving average is a 20 period moving average. Okay? And of course it works in every time frame. Next question, how do I identify the daily and the 4-hour trend on the DX indicator? That's the question from Lorena. Thank you very much, Lorena, for your question. You just have to analyze the ADX, okay? And I'll send you, for all of you, I will send you the correct indicator that you have to plot on your chart, okay? I will send you. When we have this green line here, that's the daily, and it's the background is green as well. That's the stronger line. This line here, okay, it's the 4-hour line, and the other lines are the lines from your time frame. So if you are on the 15 minutes like this, That's the line from your time frame that you were looking at the chart right now. Okay? So you can check automatically on the ADX. The ADX is right now telling you precisely what's the trend direction that you have to trade with. Okay? And of course the line, blue and pink, are just indicating you the trend. Red, it's a sell trend. Blue, it's a uptrend. Okay? David Gonzalez is asking, what candlesticks are you using? Regular candlesticks, right? Regular candlesticks. Look at that. Yeah, candles. Candles, just candles. Okay? Not using Heikin-Aishi, not using Renko or Haji, nothing. Just using regular candles. What I have is this Tabajara candle moving average close, just to identify the precise volume indication. Okay? Just a second, guys. Tá indo?
Tá dando aula aí?
Tô. Deixa eu ver que desliga o ar-condicionado, não?
Só me desligar ali.
É só ali mesmo.
Você vai
E as
precisar
luzes
da
ali no
luz?
centro, né?
Precisa da luz?
Preciso.
Peguei.
Mas a luz está desligando aqui?
Tá. Desliga no meu luz. Ó.
Tá. Beleza. Show.
Não, mas você já sabe como desligar, então.
Não, sim. Tranquilo. Valeu.
Ali são os dois botões aqui, ó. Esse aqui, pau.
Tá. Não, eu sei. Tranquilo. Obrigado. Valeu, até amanhã.
Valeu, vamos.
Abraço. Sorry, guys. That's my co-partner here. We are at the office, so. Oh, everybody's at home. And I'm here with you, okay? I'm heading home very soon. But again, coming back here, we can browse around. What's my routine? Okay? And I must confess that I have been sending you signals from here, okay? I have here on this right panel all the pairs. AUD CAD, AUD TIF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD, you name it. You can just plot them on the chart. And I just go browsing around. Just that. Pretty much that. I don't have anything else to do. I just go. I'm sorry. I just go down. Trying to analyze some kind of situation. Look at that. AUD JPY. We have a beautiful entry here, which was yesterday. No, sorry, today. Yes, today. This is a Brazilian time, okay? So I just got confused. And right now, look at what we have. We have a cross on the 15 minutes, okay? We have a cross on the 15 minutes. As a swing trader, I'm much more comfortable trading on the 1 hour, but I spot on the 15. So I go to the 1 hour and wait. I just wait a while. Because maybe things can become more interesting, okay? But that's the beauty of the system, because you can have the same thing. You can have a scalper situation for the moments that we have more volatility on the markets, more volume on the markets, like London, New York, crossing times, or the beginning of New York. It's a beautiful moment for you to scalp, or the beginning of London, or the cross between Frankfurt and London. So you have great movements. You have great opportunities. Look, it came from this. We wait for the market to go up. the ADX to go up, and then we trade. Oh, Rafa, but it came down. Okay, maybe you have on break even right here, but you have another opportunity to come across. Remember, the cross may happen before, but that's the signal that we have. So the cross, it will indicate you, look, it's gonna be a huge movement, be ready. Then we wait for the ADX, and then we place the trade. Okay, stop loss on the last swing movement. Take profit, no, you have to look at the take profit, because there is no limit for that. Maybe you can analyze plotting some Fibonacci levels in here, okay? And you wait for it, you look for the 61.8 percentage, okay? But the real thing is, that's a system that maybe will demand for you to be more cautious about looking at the trades for, 1 hour, 2 hours, just to be sure if it's going to the right movement, to go to the right spot, because that's where you're gonna have to exit the trade. Here you should exit the trade. Here you should not exit the trade. Okay? You should not exit the trade. Look, the candle, it's not red. So that's the indication. That's the fake point. I like to tell that. That's the fake point. It's when the moving average, they seems to be crossing again against each other, against the initial movement. But they do this. And they open again. That's what happened here. And that's probably a movement for more. Okay? Robert Irby is asking if we can set alerts on the MA crossing. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Robert. But there's a problem, because you have to set that here on the alerts. You have to create an alert. Okay? And that's going to be a crossing up. Okay? Look, message AUG crossing a certain period of price. But what we have is you need a paid version to set multiple alerts. So I would prefer to do not trigger an alert message on you. I really want you to pay attention to the charts and look for yourselves for now. Okay? The more we're gonna train, more you're gonna be alert yourself to the good opportunities that markets are gonna give, and they give excellent opportunities every single day. So yes, you can trigger alerts. You're gonna have to browse that here on the trading view, because that's new for me as well, guys. That's new for me. Okay, when I came across this triple moving average cross, it just blew my mind. That's new. That's something new. That's completely new. I have never seen something on the markets. You can browse around YouTube. You're not gonna find this. You're not gonna find this. Okay? Henji Teddy is thanking you. Thank you, Henji. Sorry, which is the 4 hour on the ADX? David Comonal, that's the 4 hour. Okay? It's the background from above. The lower the background, and the stronger, higher the time frame. Okay, so that's the daily, that's the 4 hour. And guys, just look at that. Just go browsing around your movement. Browse around your movement. Browse around yourself. Ooh, look at this. Bitcoin. Oh my God, Bitcoin. It's incredible. You're gonna have amazing opportunities trading Bitcoin from now, eh? Look at that. Cat Chief. Oh God. Look, maybe it's not a cross. It's just a kiss. Look at this. They're kissing each other right here. Okay, from here. then it starts to go up, but it reveals a beautiful movement here. That's the crocodile mouth that was going opening for you. Okay? And look how this moving average here is important, because it works as a variation of supply and resistance. Sorry, supporting and resistance. Supply and demand, no. Supporting and resistance. Okay? CAD Chief, let's see. CAD JPY I have already showed you. Chief JPY. And that's the beauty of this system, because it will prevent you from over trading. Because when you see something like this, or when you see the ADX coming down, you are out. Brother Rafa, I have never guessed till when the ADX is going to be going up, right? But when you see the ADX flattening like this, you're out. Trade is out. Look, it's just going sideways from now. The up movement already happened. So the system prevents you to overtrade. The system prevents you. Even on the lower time frames, I'll tell you, look at 15 minutes. 15 minutes, but I'll just get, that's the DAX, of course, it's not gonna tell you anything. But even the 15 minutes, or the 5 minutes. Look, ADX coming down, price action comes sideways. So you're just not gonna trade for now. You're just gonna wait. Euro JPY, strong movement. Look at this. Let's see. Ho ho, ho ho. Look at that. Look at that. 15 minutes. Let's just take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, a solid, strong movement that starts here. A 152 pips in a matter of 1 day and a half. How good is that for you guys? How good is that? Well, it's more than enough to me for the rest of the week. The week. Over here, you can adjust your time frame, clicking on this arrow here. You can personalize your favorite time frames. I start with 15 minutes, but I have 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hours. Okay? That's where I'm generating signals from. That's where the signals came from. I'm not gonna tell you how to make the signals, not because I don't want you to learn, because I want you to be a swing trader. Okay, so if you're part of the signal group, and the signal group has an excellent percentage of winning trades, don't ask, please, don't ask. How do you generate the signals? What the signal is this, Rafa? No, just take the signal and that's it. What I'm gonna do from now on is teaching you this, and I will arrange my schedule to make live trade sessions every day. Okay? I will arrange my schedule, and maybe I'll have more time right now, to have more trade sessions, to be live, not right now. That's not the right moment for me to trade. No. The right moment for me to trade is between Frankfurt, London, and New York. Maybe London, New York. Maybe only New York. Okay? And I will be doing sessions from 1 hour and a half and 2 hours. Telling you good opportunities, showing you good opportunities on the scalper time frames, which is 5 and 15. 1, 5, and 15. Maybe 1 hour, 4 hour just for the analysis. Okay? And we are gonna have this beautiful community here. I'll be posting videos from now on just talking about this system. No more simplicity, okay? We're gonna be trading only this new system. I don't know which name I'm gonna name it. For now, it's just a triple moving average cross. I'll figure something else. It's the terrible name this is. I don't want to make money. I just want you to make money. Okay? That's a free system. You are free. You're not gonna pay for any indicators. It just doesn't make sense to me posting videos talking about a system that was no longer the update system, and rather than that, it was just on an old and terrible platform, which was MT4. So what you're gonna do, you look for if your broker is here on TradingView. If not, you're gonna do all the analysis and you will trade over your phone using the MT4. Okay? There's no way out for now. Right? So you place all the analysis here, looking at the charts, analyzing the triple moving average cross, the ADX pointing up, the background, if it's the same color of your movement. Okay? If everything is okay, you place your stop loss below the last swing movement, and you can place your take profit 2 times, risk just 1%. So you calculate the 1% of your account on the stop loss, and then you're gonna manage the trade. When the signals are coming down, you can exit your trade and collect your profits. Okay? Okay, just let me browse around some questions from you. Saradi is asking, can we get the exact name of the indicators and the settings for the indicators? Of course, Sarada. That's precisely what I have to do. I will do right after leaving this live. I'll send you on the4XRAFA group, not the Signal group. That's for everyone. The Signal group still with special mentorships on this, special live trades, special signals. And this is gonna be for all of us, okay? Forex Fred, thank you very much, Rafa. It's been 8 a.m. in Thailand. Very nice. And I have to go to work. Have a good work day, Forex Fred. Thank you very much. How can I get the indicators? I will post that, okay? I will post live. It's being recorded. Oh my God, it is. Yes, it's being recorded. It will be posted, okay? In live, it's gonna be available for you. Not the first one, the second one. The first one was terrible. Rafa, use Rex for exit. Rex by Violet. Sorry, waste of time games. I don't know what you're talking about. Rex, is that an indicator? I really don't know. But please do not overcomplicate the system, huh? Do not overcomplicate the system. Kay is asking, I can't find the exact ADX indicator. I will show you the exact ADX indicator, okay? David is asking, Rafa, do you know a way to get notifications on the signals you send? A way to get notifications. David, you mean on the Telegram group? If it's that, you have to allow notifications on your phone. Allow Telegram notifications on your phone. You have to unmute our group. So I don't know if I'm answering your questions. If not, please ask again. Peter Bowers, you got the link for the group, please? Peter, you have to go to Patreon, patreon.com/theforexrafa, okay? To the Signal group. Yeah, is that an indicator waste of time games? Rex? Well, that's customizable, okay? You can manage the charts the way it's more convenient for you. That's how you can manage and tweak that for yourself, but that's the steps you have to do. Again, the triple moving average cross, the ADX coming up, the background the same color, you're good to go. Stop loss, the last swing movement, on the opposite side, and take profit when price starts to go against you, when, if it's up movement, when the red line is crossing the blue line and the next candle color it's on the opposite. Look, in this situation here, what were the conditions not met? What, look at this movement here. Why we should be on this movement since from June the 2nd? Since from June the 2nd. 320 pips, 330 pips. The signal happens on the 2nd of June, and we should have never been out of this trade for now. The system are telling us to keep going on the train, on the trade, sorry. The trend is coming up. Look, there is no red coming over. Look, they kiss each other and then they go in the opposite ways. We have a kick from the ADX, but we didn't have any candle against us below the moving average. This candle was red, Rafa. What happened? Volume. This indicator reads volume as well. But no, we should not be axing the trade. Why, Rafa? Look at that, it's coming down. No, the ADX is coming down. Yes, it's showing that it's lowering the volume. The trend, it's getting low. It doesn't mean it's ended. The red moving average, which is the 20, is not telling you. That's the big brother. Sorry, that's the father. The green moving average is telling you, come up. And the father are telling you, okay, you can come up. And the father doesn't tell you right now to get out of the trade, and the trail is still coming up, 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 and up. GBP JPY, let's see that. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, my friends. Look at this, my friends. Hey, look at that. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? Look at this. Look at that, it's in front of you. $296 pips. Is that okay? Is that okay? Incredible. Waste of time games. Can you show another pair like AUD USD? Yeah, let's see. Well, I'm showing you these pairs because they are the pairs that are working right now. JPY currency, it's been on the spotlight this week because of bad economical indicators. That's why JPY is coming down and the other currencies are coming up. We don't have nothing to do with that. We just have to embrace the movement. We just have to embrace the signal. We just have to be there for the signal. Okay? AUD USD, look at that. A little bit confusing for me right now. Okay? Nothing to do right now. Nothing to do. Maybe you were already in this trade, but this is not a classic cross. That's not a classic cross. Okay? It doesn't look like a good cross to me. Guys, please hit the like button. You that have not hit the like button, please do so. It's free mentorship for you. It's a free system. It's a that's money on your pocket. At least that I'm asking you is please hit the like button. Just let the algorithms of YouTube works. Okay? That's the only thing I ask you for now. Luis Oceda is asking, what's the win rate for the signals and how many signals you said in your... Yes, Luis, if you don't have any questions regarding the signal group, please send me an email and I'll be more than glad to help you, okay? But the signals, they are generated from the London opening to New York, mid-New York, lunchtime New York, okay? It's when we have more volume on the markets. 3 to 4, depending on market situation, market conditions, okay? And of course the appetite for you to take the signals, but 3 to 4 signals a day, okay? And the win ratio, it was above 80%. This June, it's not very good, but it have never came below 80%. Never came below 80 to 82%. I think I have to consolidate the numbers, and I can send you if you may like. Okay. Question, guys? Do you have any questions? More questions, please. Yeah, we saw Chama is telling that better than super expensive. Well, it's $49, okay, a month. It's more than reasonable price. It's hard work to do these signals, okay. I would better be myself, just coming live on the charts, and that's what I'm gonna do from next week on. Okay, we're gonna be live on the charts. And we have the opportunities for it to change ideas, to talk to each other, and on the super chat we can talk, and you can of course place trades. I will show you some examples, I will show you good entries, and 100% educational purposes, okay? I'm not going to give you calls and everything. That's only for you. I'm not press the button for you, okay? You're gonna have to do it for yourself. Peter Bowers, which paid Patreon membership do I need to get the indicators? Peter, no, you don't have to go to Patreon. I will send you. Are you subscribed to the 4XRAFA group? You just have to subscribe to the group, okay? The only thing that you need is on the patreon.com/the4XRAFA for the signals, okay? And if you join the signals, you have a mentorship for free with me. A one-on-one mentorship for free when we pass over 2 hours explaining every single detail about my history. And I'm more than glad to tell you that if I could, right now, I could live only from Forex. I'm very happy. I achieved that the last April, which was incredible casualty, but it was my month of birth. I was very happy. April, it's a very special moment to me on the year because it's when I have birth. When I started to trade Forex. I discovered Forex on January of 2017, but I really start trading on April. So I passed 5 years working, spending money, losing a lot of money, to right now tell you with all my heart that I can live from the Forex. And I can trade this system in a very profitable way. That's what I want to show you. That's what I want to show you. I'm not going to show you my account. No. It's personal business. I have already enough problems because I have done that in the past. Not going to do that anymore. And I'm very proud to say that I have followed specifically disciplined steps with simplicity, which I thank you very much, that could guide me for the last 2 years. But for now, I'm going this way. I'm free to go. I'm free to follow my discipline and tweak my trading style. That's my trading style right now that you are watching. It's not a system from anybody else. That's a system that I have built, and I'm showing you that it works. And what you have to do is just to follow the steps I followed and tweak something that maybe it's your best interest. For instance, if you want to trade more like a swing trader, so you go to the 2 hours and 4 hours. If you want to be more as like a scalper, so you go down to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Watch out. Okay, the system and all the systems are much more effective on the higher time frames. You must know that. But it works. It works. Absolutely works. And you can check for yourself. Okay? 15 minutes. 5 minutes. You're gonna find beautiful entries. Be ready for beautiful entries. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Look, downtrend, down, counter trend. What is a counter trend, Rafa? Look at the background of the ADX. It's green. And the ADX is pointing pink. So that's a sell movement on a green buy trend. So the system tells you everything. System tells you everything. Okay? Yes, guy, I'm very excited. Okay? I hope you're feeling that I'm very excited because that's for free. This is for you. That's for you. Okay? I'll tell you the indicators. Look, the indicators, they're here. Tabajara candle moving. ADX 1425 and DD index exponential. So you look here, indicators. Indicators. You click that and you just look for that. Look, that's the indicator that I have. DD index. Who tweaked that? It was this guy, Diego Silva. Okay? There's a lot of other indicators. Do not, I do not gonna do this. Okay? Look, Tabajara candle. What's this Tabajara name? I don't know. That's the guy who made this. Just this strategy with candles and moving average coming across volume. Okay, Tabajara. There's a Tabajara 3.2. That's André Machado. That's a Brazilian guy. Excellent trader. Excellent trader. Look, that's the Tabajara by André Machado. Maybe it's a better indicator. But I don't take this. I take the Tabajara candle. And the ADX. ADX is a very popular indicator. It's a very good indicator, but few traders know exactly how to trade with that. Few traders. Look at that. My favorites are here. Okay? That's ADX DMI trend. That's the indicator that I have. I promise you that I will drive you exactly which indicator that I'm using. I'll be posting on our group. Okay? So if you're not part of our group right now, please, the 4XRAFA on the Telegram group, you should be on that group. Okay? I'm not talking about the signals group. That's a very small community where I send signals. What I'm talking to you is the 4XRAFA Telegram group. That's gonna be much more active from now on. Okay? I'll be posting on that group the list of indicators. Okay? Right, guys. Questions? David coming out. Brahim, Gary, just want to know what's the average risk ratio. 1 to 3. Okay, you risk 1 to win 3 or to win 2, but it depends on the movement. Okay, for instance, if you would pick this trade from here, that would be your stop loss, and that was your take profit around here. Okay. Peter Bowers, hope you got your answer. Lorena, when you say 4XRAFA group, you mean a YouTube group? Well, Lorena, maybe you were not on the group. Let me. I'll try to post here the link. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Forex for life. Sorry, I was trying to tell the name of the group, but it was incorrect. No, I'm not gonna be able to post that. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll try to post here. No, if I do that, I will end the transmission. I'll make another live and I'll post every single link to the groups. Okay, it's gonna be better this way. Because I can't exit. In fact, I am afraid of exiting the trade and losing all the connections. So I'm using different computers here. I'm using an iPad to follow you on the YouTube group, and I have this program to make the live. So it's a little bit confusing for me right now. I promise that's gonna be easier and everything correct and professional next time. I promise that. How can I post this? Okay, maybe. Well, just let me try to log in on the Telegram group myself here. Done. Okay, so now I can post the link. Just let me Is everything okay? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Live's off? Uh-oh. Yes? Can you see me? Okay. Sorry. It was just black to me. Okay, great. Well, that's the link, okay? That's the link of the group. I'll post again. Okay. Well, you can send super chats. Yes, you can send super chats. I like super chats. Please support the channel. Yes, it costs to have this kind of group. Okay, please support the channel. I need super chats. I'm giving you free money. Okay. Right, guys. So that's it. I'm gonna post you the indicators on the group, and maybe not tomorrow. Tomorrow I just can't. I'll be working on ESPN tomorrow, but maybe Friday maybe it's gonna be a good day for me to make it a live. Okay, No, Friday is not gonna be a good day. Friday, it's never a good day to make a scalper live. Okay? Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Maybe tomorrow I'll become on the live, and I will send you a link on the group. And if you want to join, maybe we can analyze markets together just for educational purpose. You feel free to make your trades. Okay? That's it. The live, it's being recorded. It's gonna be open for you on the YouTube channel, and I'll be posting the link of this again as soon as I can. Okay? Any other questions? Any other things? Thank you very much, Tanner, Thomas Folta, Brahim, Peter Bowers, Lorena, Waste of Time Games, always with us, Robert Reed, KA, thank you, KA, John Taylors, I will be posting indicators as soon as I can. David Comonal, thank you very much. Who else? Luis Elceda, thank you very much. Please, if you did not hit the like button yet, please hit the like button. It's very important for me, very important for the channel. Show your support and hit the like button, okay? Any other questions? That's it, guys. I'm really excited to do this system. I think it can be a different approach, okay? A completely different approach. But you can look at the charts, you can place a trade, you can be much more confident, you can be much more, you know, you can trade with peace. That's pure price action. It's gonna be good for all of you scalpers, all of you swing traders. You're gonna have a bunch of interesting entries. Look at this entry here. Look at this entry here as we speak. Look, entry here, coming down. Some pips, you exit here. So, guys, there's a new whole world of opportunities that is just opened for you, okay? I really appreciate all your time. I'm really sorry for the mess, the completely mess that this life was. But I am alone here. I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a journalist, I'm a commentator. I work for a financial advisory company, which I am here right now. I am a financial advisor, I'm a trader, and I'm trying to be a YouTuber just to show you that this game is possible to win. Okay? That's it, guys. If you'd like to join our Signal Group family, patreon.com/4XRAFA. I'll be posting the link as well. And you're gonna receive signals and a mentorship for free, right? Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not gonna promise you, but maybe we're gonna see each other tomorrow morning. Okay? Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. Hope you the best. Bye bye.